Wink.
like a spider lady. Wink. Deja vu. I feel like I've been in this place before. I mean, this whole game is deja vu if you think about it.
Technically.
I mean, we played it before. Wait, you're trying to move me? Stop it!
What are you talking about?
Fuck
Hey!
you! For the record, we can both control each other's characters, but we haven't been because of honor system. However, she is being rude now and trying to control me because she thinks it's the camera. Though, yes, of course, brother. It's so... Oh, the view is...
So romantic.
No, brother, no, you told me, no, you can't do this. You will warp my perspective of right and wrong.
You're right. I did tell you that nothing can be romantic between brothers.
She is an acrobatic damsel. What
What if that wasn't what she wanted?
Yeah, I'm going in, brother.
You gotta turn it. Good thing that you landed okay.
Yeah. That could have been so bad.
If cry sounded better, it would get me horny. Alright.
Alright,
We should
brother.
leave it like this then.
Yeah, we'll leave
We don't
it
want
like
to
this.
we don't want to make Foster horny.
No, we don't want to make Foster horny. Brother, this is very unsafe.
Run faster.
I ran very fast, brother.
Me too.
He didn't run fast enough.
And again, this game so much easier when you only have to control one person.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh. Brother, what are you... Brother? Oh, what the fuck? Brother?
Hot lady.
Bro, what?
That kissing. Ooh.
Bro, don't.
I need to go.
Bro, no.
I need to.
Bro, no. What about...
Foster may not be horny, but I am.
Brother, I still don't know how to tie my shoes.
Okay, well you don't need to tie your shoes. Remember we had this conversation. You don't have laces. Stay here.
But brother, I still just think the concept.
Stay here. I'm gonna go fuck this lady.
But we gotta
Okay?
get butt cream, brother, dad.
Yeah, afterwards.
After what, brother? But
After I do it with this lady.
But I guess I'll go and fucking make sure you use protection, brother.
Get out of there. What are you doing here?
No, I have
You
to
can't
make
come
sure.
with. You can't come with.
I have to. It's too late now, brother.
Oh my gosh.
It's too late.
No.
Oh shit.
Oh, whoa.
Brother, I have a bad feeling about this.
Why?
I don't know. It's just, it's so... is this where... couldn't... Oh. Brother!
Ah! Ah!
Brother!
My lady! She's got the mad cow disease. What happened? Oh, fuck!
Oh shit, it's the mad spider disease!
Oh no, she's Tetra.
Oh shit, it is Tetra.
Except Tetra only had legs coming from her back. She didn't have a whole thorax.
That's true. Fuck, brother, we got a real sticky situation now.
Ew, is this from her spider pussy?
Yes, brother, it's from her spider pussy. Look up at it. Ew. Oh, God, we have to get out of here, brother.
Oh no.
Come on, we have to jiggle it back and forth,
Oh,
brother.
okay.
Jiggle it back and forth from her spider pussy. Come on.
I don't want to.
Back. Ah!
She's just trying to live her life, you know. Ew.
Oh no!
Oh!
Brother! No!
Poison stabbed.
Why didn't you pull those ones out earlier? Shit!
My son! The butt cream can wait. I can tell.
What? How can you tell?
I can tell that he has been stabbed.
That's you're talking crazy. Sit down, your butt cream is still needed.
Oh, okay. My butt cream.
Yes, I'll get the Sprite. No, don't worry. I'll get it. No ice. You like that one?
That was good. I'll get this right.
I mean,
That'll help his tum-tum.
yeah. Come on, brother. You got fucked up. Whoa.
And then he puts it on his butt.
Yeah. Here. I'll get this and bloop.
Gotta fill your thing full of butt cream.
I didn't even have to pay for it.
That's because this is
a
universal
spacefaring
health
boy.
care.
Ah,
Oh my
yes.
god, Arlene gifted a sub to Beaky. Thank you so much.
It's free real estate.
This is like an amusement park now. My brother's dead. This isn't like the amusement park at all.
Remember when I went,
Oh, fuck. Brother? Brother! Hey! Wake up! Listen, I got the butt cream. It's orally taken as well. I hope. Please! Brother! No, please just take it, please. Brother!
fuck you.
Brother! Fuck. I told you not to go in with a spider lady, brother! You were tempted by the spider pussy, and the spider pussy took it all.
Wonderful acting, by the way.
Thank you. It's for my acting reel.
Well, it was super impressive, honestly.
Thank you. I think I'm gonna be in the Avengers Team 2.
Yes, Team 2.
Mm-hmm.
This guy's gonna get pneumonia. Then who will get the butt cream?
Brother!
I was alive the whole time. Just kidding.
Really
Gotcha, sick.
My sweet boy, let me show you the world.
Damn it, brother! I hate
This
you
just all
so
goes
much.
to show
Why
boys
would you
follow your
do
heart,
that?
not your dick, or you'll die and leave your brother all alone in the woods, unable to tie his shoes.
Yep. We've learned a lesson today, Alice. Thank you for the 100 bits. Just kidding.
Brother! What the fuck did you do that to me? What the fuck? You pranked me twice!
That was his last words. Just kidding.
A double prank. Ain't right.
It ain't right. Damn, this kid just... he just
When
dug a grave with his fucking hands.
I don't know how to cope with the loss of my mom and now my brother, so I invoked all of my frustration into forearm power.
Oh my gosh, how did this 5-year-old just dig this giant hole with his hand?
I am 8.
Oh.
Fuck you, brother. I remember I was so fucking sad when I first played this, though.
Yeah, me too. I think it made me cry.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I was crying too. I mean, the video evidence of it. So.
I experienced this alone, by my lonesome. So I was just like, freely.
Well, I mean, I was alone as well, but I had to edit it, and then people saw it, and then they joined in my sadness.
Nice.
Brother, you gotta go in here now, okay? Because apparently this is what they do in the storybooks, okay, man?
What a shallow grave.
Yeah, for a shallow fucking person, brother. You only liked her because she was pretty. If she was an ugly Spider-Woman, you wouldn't have gone in there and fucking kissed her, now would you, brother, huh? That's why you're dead now. You're a shallow grave for a shallow person, brother. Fuck you!
Now we're on the anger part of grief.
Yep.
Wait, why is he's just floating to the top? Like the dirt is going under him. Look! He's floating to the top.
Hey, they did their best, alright? This game is gorgeous. They had to make some cuts here and there for the budget.
Oh, yes, of course. There's just slooping underneath him, and he was just coming up with it. Reverse quickstand.
Oh, that's so pretty, though. Holy fuck.
That is very pretty. This game is really pretty.
Holy shit.
What? That died.
What?
He's like, just kidding.
But what the hell? What are all these pranks happen to me? I guess you're leaving me and my new brother now. Hi, new brother. I've had a real rough day. Can we go home? Fug. Alright, well, let's get going.
Squad.
Squad. Really wish I fucking remembered to restock on the butt cream for Dad, though.
Oh shit, you poured it all on your dead brother's face and then didn't get any of the butt cream.
Yeah, I'm gonna get back home and I'm gonna have an empty flask. I'm gonna be like, fuck.
Shit, I forgot.
And then my dad's gonna die too. And then I'm just gonna be left with Uncle Mal.
Your dad will die from infected butt.
Yeah, my brother died from infected gut. What's the difference?
Gosh. Maybe that's why he died. You should have poured it on his owie.
Yeah, I fucking wasted it. I drowned you as well.
You didn't even try to put it on his owie.
I just trapped you in butt cream.
Oh no.
That's like for like a burn, just like feeding them KY jelly instead of putting it on the burn, you know?
Wait, you put KY jelly on burns?
Or Vaseline, I'm sorry.
Yeah, this
KY jelly's for lubricant. Yeah.
Okay. Learn something new, I guess. I just believes that KY jelly is like an all-purpose medicine thing. Like, oh, oops, burned myself. He'll put some KY jelly on there. Oh, got a little cut. Put some KY jelly on there.
Yeah, fuck essential oils. I'm a KY jelly follower.
Let me show you the world.
KY jelly for the 69. Thank you for the 69 bits, Anderson.
Hell yeah. Oh shit, brother, you're me now.
Nope.
Oh no, you're right.
You're all
brother.
yourself. But he's dying from butt infection.
Fuck. Oh fuck, Dad's gonna be so mad when he finds out I didn't bring the fucking butt cream. Oh no, yeah, he's gonna be so mad when he finds out my brother's dead too. Oh my god. What?
You're really screwed up, my god.
I'm really fucked all this shit up, man. I didn't even pour it on his fucking boo-boo. I just fucked him up. This is the part. Remember my brother jumped up on the left side, but he's not here anymore. He's actually let him die from the spider. He's stabbing him in the tummy. God damn it. I'm coming down to be another further disappointment of the family.
Oh no.
Oh.
You're gonna have to swim by yourself.
I don't know how to fucking swim, man. This sucks. Fuck. God. What?
Yeah, what happened to the owl? Why didn't he drop us off at home?
Mom, okay. Or, thanks, Ghost Mom. You really opened my eyes.
She said, just fucking do it. You've been like all over this fucking country. You can do it.
You're right. I just gotta be like a fucking puppy and dog paddle. Wait, oh shit, I did have butt cream. Oh my god, I'm such an idiot. Let's go, Dad.
Oh, you have the butt cream. Ah, swim.
I'm coming, Dad. I'm coming.
Swim.
I can't. I'm scared.
Oh god.
Can't do it. Wait, I really can't though. I think you need to help me.
Oh.
You do, because you're with me.
I'm with you.
Remember? You're with me. No, I'm dying! With me. You're my Mufasa. No, I'm dying! Mufasa is with me. Thank God brother's with me at all times, so I... No! My brother's never gonna let me down. Never gonna run and desert me.
Oh, shit.
Dad, I got the butt cream. I hope it's not watered down. I really am considering the fact that I didn't double check and if it was closed proper. Good luck, us.
It's
all I can say. Yeah, fuck. You're so fucking weak.
Oh my god. Hold on.
For once in my fucking life, I was nice. But you guys were busy trying to fuck Peter Parker with trades. So I'll do it again. Shout out to Cry. Thanks to his dumbass streams I ended up meeting you, who's now one of my best friends.
Oh.
So he's okay, I guess.
PB was being nice to you and saying, thanks to your streams, he met me, so thank you for that.
Aww. Okay, I'll take wholesome.
What the fuck?
What? No! No! Oh God! No! Fuck! Oh God! No! Shit!
I'm gonna throw up.
I'm gonna throw up. Oh, fuck. If only my brother were here, I could make this.
This is just vibrating. Do it! I am! You have to try!
We fucking get it! We work together! Oh my god! We're one in body and mind! Brother, Dad, I have the butt cream! Dad!
Dad's still alive! The butt cream! Take it!
Dad!
Okay, I'll take it. Here's your father's butt cream, as you wish.
Oh!
No, it doesn't work like that. I already tried.
Don't trust me. I know what I'm doing.
The cat's getting done too now. I just don't care anymore. I just don't care anymore. I'm so tired.
Oh god! Oh my gosh.
Oh god.
Oh. Huh. He's crying. Why did he build this little rock tower thing right at tide?
Because this is my place where I skip rocks.
Oh, I see.
This is where I go to think. I go here.
What you thinking about?
I'm thinking about when one time I went outside and I saw a turtle.
Mm-hmm.
And I named him Speedy because he was actually really slow, but it was like it was an ironic.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's really original.
Well, yeah, but then my brother, he came out. He was my older brother, you see.
Yeah.
He's dead. He's dead now. But
what happened to him?
Well, the spider pussy got him. And well, I try to put butt cream on his mouth too. Anyway, long story short, my brother said the name was stupid too, but he hugged me and he said it was okay. But he's dead now, so it won't happen anymore.
How do you know he's actually dead though? Are you sure you didn't get pranked?
Oh. No. because my brother he pranked me 2 times when like I thought he did die and he came back and then he said pranked and he went away again and it was a prank again. So I mean, it could be a prank again. I don't really know. It's just my head's so confusing. I've been racking my brain about it all this time. Fuck, I gotta go see him.
If he wasn't dead then, he is now, so it's okay.
I did leave him for dead after that. That's true.
Yeah.
There was no other hope after that.
Father.
Father?
What if when you go up there, he just yeets you off that little island?
For being a bad son, I would deserve it.
Because the other one was the favorite son.
Yeah, it was.
This is me, by the way. They hired me for that. Thank you, PB.
Oh, Dad.
You're supposed to put it on the owie. You're supposed to put it on the owie.
I didn't know, okay? Like, Mom does the medicine stuff in the family. But she's dead too.
It is very sad. First time I played this, I cried for sure.
Yes, when we have for those who don't know,
both played
Angel
this game
played this
before.
alone. I had played this alone.
Yep. Which is how you're supposed to play it, because playing it with someone else makes it very easy.
Yes.
Everything was extremely easy.
But it was very fun though.
It was fun.
Yes.
Now what?
But now you're gonna play Void Bastards for these amazing people because that game is dope fresh.
That game is pretty dope fresh.
It is.
Here, maybe we can do it. Swear. Hold up.
What's up?
Let me put this on break.
Okay.
And then
should I close out Brothers right now? Oh, you want me to? Yes, I'd love to watch.
I'll just put it on Parsec for me, I guess.
Okay.
Oh, no!